Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a couple of cards using the Be My Valentine bundle that consists of the stamp set and the Bee Builder punch, as well as the Be Mine Designer Series paper. So we're going to use a couple of other elements from this suite of products as well, but for right now, that's good. Okay, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. So first we have our paper pumpkin kit for February. This is the kit that you will get if you subscribe by February 10th. Okay, this kit makes 9 projects, comes with an early espresso stamping spot. And if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber, you can also get the Love of Spring dies add-on for $12. It's 4 dies, and this is the ordering number 164396. There's a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And during the month of February, we still have celebration going on. So if you do spend $150, you're also going to be getting at least 3 celebration items, okay, of your choice from the brochure. All right. Every $50 you spend, you can get qualified to get some free product, okay? So you don't have to do 150. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have stuffed with my retired Stampin' Up products. Some are new. I never used them. What a shame. Some are used. And it's about $200 plus or minus worth of things stuffed into this medium flat rate box, okay? I'm asking $30 each for each box. The shipping is included. I can only sell these for the USA. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, or you can go to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com and click on the image of this flyer. All right. That is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So we're going to start by cutting up some designer series paper. These are 3 sheets of paper. They're 5 by 3 3/4. We're going to be doing the stack, cut, and shuffle. So you take 3 or even 4, but however many if you have 3, you're going to make 2 cuts. If you have 4, you're going to make 3 cuts. So we're going to take our 5 by 3 3/4 inch pieces of paper. Just trying to make sure they stay even here. And we're going to cut off 1 inch on the 5 inch side with the 5 inch going across. Okay, so we're going to cut off 1 inch like that, and then we're going to cut off 1 inch from the 3 3/4 side. So we're just going to rotate this around and cut off 1 inch right here. That is not even. Make sure they stay evenly stacked up. So then we're going to take 1 inch from that side. Okay, and then I'm putting them all back so I won't get mixed up which piece goes where. So that's all we need our trimmer for. So now that was the stack and the cut, and now we're going to shuffle. So we're going to take these 3 pieces. So 1 2 3, and now 1 is going to be 1 in the middle, 2 3. Then we're going to take this one, start 1 over here, 1 2 3, and that's how you get all the different pieces set up. Okay, so I've gone ahead and did a lot of prep for the inside of our cards. Since we're making 3, I went ahead and did the insides of the cards. Okay, I just added some designer series paper, some sweet sorbet, and some basic white. So we're going to be layering these pieces onto some petal pink. That is, what size is this petal pink? The petal pink is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Okay, did I say this is thick basic white for the base? 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. So we're going to set this up, I think, with the tiniest border, because just an 1/8 inch of a border, because it started off as 5. So we have to make sure we're going to do it just like that. Okay, so I'm going to put all 3 of these on their petal pink, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have all 3 of those done. We're going to sit these just right here for a moment. We're going to go ahead and do some stamping, and we'll get back to putting the rest of the things together. So I have some scrap basic white here. We're going to stamp one of the little bees from the stamp set. So we have some Daffodil Delight here. And we're going to stamp the body. Actually, no, I want to stamp this part first. So let's get some basic black. I'm going to use my little stamping spot. I made myself a Memento Tuxedo Black stamping spot. It seems to be a little bit juicier than my regular stamp pad right now. So we're going to stamp this about right here, like that. Then we're going to take our Daffodil Delight, because I can see the black, and I'm going to line that up with that. Just like that. Let's see if I can do a better job. Oh. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to do the stripes first, didn't I? Okay, that's all right. We'll still be able to see it. So let's get our stripes back. Get our basic black. Not basic black, tuxedo black. See, I can't see that yellow that well. Guess. Oh, it's a lot better. I messed up at the tail end. I did make a template so that I can stamp the rest of the pieces for the bee. So we're going to take his antenna, his little antennae. Ooh, don't move it though. And we're gonna stamp those right in there like that. And I'm gonna attempt to do the wings. I have been having trouble lining up these wings. So we have some Pool Party, and I'm gonna do the Pool Party full strength with the little wing parts. And hopefully we'll get those in there just like that. And we'll leave that open because we got to use it again. Where's my punch? Okay, let's get this and punch this out. So we're just going to line this up. Try to get everything in there lined up. Okay, so basically what I just did, I lined up the bee, and I didn't, my template is not working right for me. Then I have the heartfelt hexagon, and we're gonna punch one of those out. Okay, and that'll be it. So let's see, we have this heart, and we have 2 extra ones. So now I'm gonna stamp on this heart. I think it's easier for me to stamp just like that. I need some scrap paper. So we're going to stamp the actual heart in Pool Party. Stamp off. Let me put this right here. And then we're just going to add a little of the color to the back of the wings like that. So that's all we need the Pool Party for. So let's move these pieces. Nope, we need this one still. Okay, so now let's put a face on our bee here. So we have a face. Our bee is going to be facing to the right. We have this cute little smiling so hard that his eyes are closed face. Okay, and then we're going to get some glue and put our bee together. And let's put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the wings, and the bottom of the antenna. Let's get this put on here. Now, I already made this bumblebee or this Honeybee, I should say, twice for the other 2 cards, and I did it perfect. But of course, because I wasn't on the video, it turned out perfect. And soon I turned the video on. Oh my gosh, I have ink all over me. I can't make the daggone bee. What's up with that? So there's that one. Then we have one more thing to stamp, and that is our sentiment. We're going to do that in Sweet Sorbet. I think I got ink on my card. I don't know where. I got ink all over my side of my hand. And this says, "You'll always be the one for me." We're going to stamp it more to the right. Try to get it straight. And that is it for the stamping. So we can go ahead and put this card together. Okay, or these cards. So let's get all of our bases. And I did the inside of all of them. They're all different. So you can see the insides. And let's go ahead and glue the layers on. Okay, so this is the last one. Then we're going to put on our sentiment, some ribbon, and some embellishments. Okay, so now let's see how I have some ribbon here. I just cut a length and hopefully it's long enough. And we're going to put this down on our card like this in a little zigzag fashion. And we're going to put our sentiment over it like so. Okay, so let me get some tearing tape to help hold this down. So we're going to do our ribbon and the little, come on now. Everything can't act up today. I'm gonna get that, hold it down. Oh, I think I want some dimensionals as well. Dimensionals. Let's get some dimensionals. I'm gonna put one on the back of the bee, one in the front of the bee, at the bottom of the bee, all around the bee, because my name is Honeybee. You know I'm going to use a lot of these Stampin' Dimensionals. Oh gosh. Put one there, and then we're going to put some on our sentiment layer. Just one more for fun. Why not? Okay. I'm going to release this, not release it all the way off. I just don't want this backing on there. So let's go ahead and take the backings off of this. Add this here. Just like this. Just like that. And then we're going to put our little honeybee on there. I don't care if this is a bumblebee or a hornet. I'm calling it a honeybee. That's it. Why would I call it anything else? I don't know. We're gonna put him just like that. So let me do the other two and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we're putting our last bee on, and we're going to get some of the hearts and flowers embellishment that come in this suite. And where's my take your pick tool? Let's see. Do we want to add flowers? I think, I want to keep using the same color. You know what? Let's add some pool party. Some pool party flowers, because that's what I want to do. So we're going to get one at the top of the sentiment. And I think that's all I'm going to do. Just that one little thing. Just wanted to pull some more of that pool party in. But that's it, you guys. this is our project for today. That's it. That's all. Oh, I like this one. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.